In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send onboarding form in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Zoho People and that you are on the main dashboard. The process starts in Settings, because onboarding links are managed from the configuration and onboarding area rather than from day-to-day employee records. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Settings icon. This opens the Settings panel, where you can access different modules and tools. Since Settings can include a lot of options, you will save time by using the search field inside Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Onboarding Candidate. As you type, the matching option should appear in the results. Click the Onboarding Candidate area, so you can access the list of candidates and the actions related to onboarding. Once you are in the Onboarding Candidate section, you have two choices depending on your situation. If you are onboarding someone new, click the option to create a new candidate. Enter the candidate details as required by your organization, so the system has a record to send the link to. If the candidate already exists in the list, you can click the existing name instead. Opening the correct candidate record is important, because the onboarding link will be tied to that specific person. With the candidate record open, go to the top right and click the Send Onboarding Link button. This is the action that generates and sends the onboarding request. Next, you will be prompted to choose the onboarding flow or form. Select the onboarding flow or form you want the candidate to complete. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple flows for different roles, departments, or locations. Choosing the right flow ensures the candidate receives the right set of forms and tasks. Finally, click Send. Zoho People will send the onboarding link using the candidate contact details stored in their record. After sending, it is a good practice to verify that the link was sent successfully by checking the status or any confirmation message shown on screen, and that is all there is to it.